Imagine this. It's 2050. You're finally free from the 9 to 5 grind, sitting by a beach watching the waves crash without a single worry about money. But here's the catch. How you invest today decides if this dream becomes a reality or a struggle. Are you ready to secure your future? Let's talk about the National Pension System, or NPS, and how to pick the top plans for 2025. Wait, did I just make retirement sound like a Netflix series? Stick around, it gets better. Setting the stage. Now, if you're between 18 and 30, retirement planning might sound about as exciting as doing your taxes, but here's the harsh truth. Waiting too long can cost you millions. Yes, millions. Did you know that contributing just $100 per month to NPS in your 20s could snowball into over $500,000 by retirement? That's compound interest flexing its muscles. But if you delay even by 5 years, you might lose half that potential. Quick question. Do you love giving free money to the government? No? Then why ignore the tax benefits of NPS? With up to $2,000 in deductions annually, Uncle Sam is practically paying you to invest. So, how do you get started? That brings us to the top NPS schemes for 2025. The NPS breakdown, active versus auto choice. First, let's talk strategy. NPS offers two investment modes, active and auto choice. Active lets you decide how much goes into equity, corporate bonds, and government securities. Auto choice adjusts it for you based on your age. Here's the kicker. If you're under 30, going heavy on equity and active choice could supercharge your returns. But if you're unsure about market risks, auto choice is a great safety net. But what if I told you there's a way to balance risk and reward even further? More on that in a minute. Top performing NPS funds for 2025. Let's dive into the top performing NPS funds for 2025. On the equity side, the SBI Pension Fund is a star performer, boasting consistent returns north of 14% over the last 3 years. For corporate bonds, HDFC Pension Fund is leading the pack with a steady 10%. And for the risk-averse, LIC Pension Fund offers reliable government securities with 8% returns. Think these numbers are boring? Just remember, every percentage point of return is the difference between sipping a mojito on a yacht or instant ramen in retirement. Now, what about the fees? Let's talk about maximizing value, fees, and flexibility. One of NPS's hidden gems is its ultra-low management fees, just 0.1%. Compare that to mutual funds charging 1% or more, and you're saving thousands in the long run. Plus, NPS offers unmatched flexibility. You can switch between fund managers, adjust allocations, and even make partial withdrawals for emergencies. It's like having a personal finance tool tailored just for you. But what happens when it's time to retire? How does NPS actually pay you back? Let's wrap this up. The resolution. Here's the beauty of NPS. At 60, you can withdraw up to 60% of your corpus tax-free. The rest goes into an annuity, providing a steady income for life. It's financial freedom on autopilot. So if you've been putting off investing, it's time to act. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. Want to know how to supercharge your financial journey even further? Check out this video on my channel about stock trading for beginners. It's your ultimate guide to growing wealth faster. Don't miss it. Your future self will thank you.